us to press light then.
Yeah, but why?
If we press it, the light will probably go on. Do you want to press?
Let me just look.
Should we go,
what's
yeah?
going on.
Come, let's go,
Do
man.
not press.
Let's press, bro. Do you think it's like custard, bruv?
2 minutes. Do not press. Let me see.
Come on, bruv. Oh, this is dope. Oh.
What do you reckon?
Bruv, do you think custard's gonna drop on fish grease and that?
What if we press and get evicted?
Big man ting.
We made it this far. innit?
Brother. Imagine you do that and get evicted up in this bitch, bruv. When you
That's
just said
like-
evicted, bruv, do you know how mad that is? We just evict ourselves like some dickheads, bruv.
Do you know it?
Like some dickheads. You're
Yeah,
like, dude,
no, let's
you
take-
home,
let's
bruv.
take- no.
80861, bruv. Why would I lie?
80861.
80861, enter. Come on. And the first? Fuck
So,
it, bruv.